This is the trade that secured me over 29k in profit and around 30 handles on trading Nasdaq. This was a trade that we took today inside of the lunch macro between 11:45 a.m. to 12:15. So let's get straight into the breakdown. So for the June contract on the ES, considering we're trading March contract, ES actually took previous day low on June contract but not on March, which I noted down as well. That previous day low has already been swept. We had a bullish SMT between NQ and ES, so that's a bullish SMT for NQ as NQ did not take the low. We've seen a clean displacement and this is our breakaway fair value gap. Once price is created, another fair value gap above the breakaway gap, price is very unlikely to draw back to breakaway gap, and if it does draw back, then it's likely going to draw back and go for a point of liquidity such as the short-term low. So considering the fact we was inside of macro, we had a bullish breaker block paired with the upper first presented fair value gap. I entered long off the first presented gap, running only a 21 handle stop at the displacement candles low. Once price actually took the original short-term high, I trailed my stops to that short-term low. Therefore, we was only risking around 3 handles on that trade, so relatively break even at that point. Once price took this minor buy side liquidity, I moved my stops to break even. And then on the June contract, this is where we didn't really understand what went on here. So on the June contract, it took this internal range liquidity, which was the high to the left. So internal range liquidity got taken on the June contract. We're still trading the March contract as it has a higher open interest, which you can check on a specific website. And for me personally, I was one handle from getting filled for final TP. Otherwise, we would have made a lot more money, but still a decent trade indeed. It ended up running all the way to final TP. When we was one handle of final TP, I actually trailed my stops just below 50% on this 1 minute bullish gap. I trailed them at 495. Price came back to 495. Obviously respected the 1 minute bullish gap. I didn't expect price to go back towards this level. We was only a handle off, so I expected obviously it to take straight through internal range liquidity, and it didn't. It came back, rebalanced, and then continued back towards the high. You could say yes, the stop placement wasn't valid, but we still secured 25 handles on this trade, and the price action today was not the cleanest. So to get a winning trade out of today, then that's all we could have asked for. The price was literally ranging since 9:45 a.m. Price was in range and it was not looking clean at all. If you found this breakdown useful, drop a like on this video and follow for more videos such as this.